Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public post in Facebook, only way. Start by opening Facebook and tapping Create Post on your profile, then type your message. Choose Public from the Audience selector so anyone can see the update. Add photos, links, or feelings to make the post engaging. Double-check tags and privacy briefly, then tap Post. That simple step makes your content visible to everyone on Facebook instantly. In this video, I will explain how to public post in Facebook, only way. Open the Audience menu and pick Public to share broadly beyond your friends list. If you need limits, choose Friends or Friends, except for tighter control. Keep in mind tags, location, and shared links can increase reach, so adjust those carefully. Preview your post quickly to confirm content and audience before publishing to avoid accidental oversharing. In this video, I will explain how to public post in Facebook, only way. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, I bought some durable socks I recommend for long editing sessions because they last and have a lifetime warranty, and they pair well with marathon posting days. Check the description for the product link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to public post in Facebook, only way. Add photos or a short video to boost engagement and paste links to generate previews that attract clicks. You can remove the raw URL after the preview appears to keep the post clean. Write a concise caption and include alt text if available to help more people enjoy the content. Finally, confirm the audience is still set to public and tap Post.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.